It's not about winning. It's about fun.
What's that?
Fun is when you... Fun is... It's like... It's kinda... Sorta like a... What is fun? Let me spell it for you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and any time at all.
Down here in the deep blue sea.
F is for fire that burns down the whole town. U's for uranium bombs. N is for no survivors when you...
Plankton! Those things aren't what fun is all about. Now, do it like this.
Winner takes all. It's the thrill of one more kill, the last one to fall. Who never sacrifice their will. Don't ever look back on the world closing in.